What's up, everybody? We're at the junkyard today getting some door handles off of a 2007 Hyundai
Sonata.
Yes. The car we're getting them for is black, and these just so happen to be black, so we lucked out there. Also lucked out because somebody went to the trouble of pulling the door panels off, so it makes it that much easier. So now all I gotta do is just pull the handle off. See if that window will stay. Well, you know it does stay. First thing I gotta do, let me get this piece here off so I can get this off so I can see something. There's one bolt. I think you can look in this hole and see it. I gotta put the wrench in here to see this side. You'll need a 5/16 socket. I've got a 6" extension here and a 3/8" drive ratchet. So if you look through here, you can see where I'm putting it.
Not really.
There we go. Let me see. There you go. Yeah, it's just this one screw. Alright, then come on the outside very carefully. And look, I don't even have to pry on. I think it'll pop right off. Easy. Easy. Just like that. Alright, I'll give you that. And then this half here is off now. There's nothing holding this on. I just gotta get, there's a clip on this side. Now I'll get some better tools for this, but I'm not saving this piece here. So I'm gonna just kind of break this little plastic piece off just to get it out of my way. I'll have to do it different when we put it on the car. But take it and just slide it. Oop, just like that, and there it went. I think it's okay. Yeah, basically you just sliding this piece out. Yeah, it went just like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.